What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to unlock your iPhone to use it with any carrier, any SIM card out there. This is a factory unlock and we will do it together step by step. It is very simple. I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method and today I will show you how to factory unlock your iPhone. For this example, I'm going to be using my new iPhone SE, but this method will work for any other iPhone out there. To get your phone unlocked, you simply need your phone, you need access to internet so you can use your computer, or as long as you have internet connection on your phone or anywhere, you will be able to unlock your phone. And of course, you're gonna need a cable to connect your phone to the computer. That's all we need to unlock this iPhone. And with that said, let's begin. Now, we have to get the phone's IMEI number. Simply open the phone application and dial *#06#, and you will see that the IMEI number of this phone will show up. It's a 15-digit number. It is unique for every phone, so just keep this number in hand because we're gonna use it in a few seconds to generate the unlock request for this iPhone. Now, before we proceed, I have to mention that this is a paid service, so we will unlock this phone using a paid service, and there is no way to unlock this iPhone for free. So keep in mind that we're gonna have to pay. Anyways, we're gonna switch to the computer because the rest of the process will take place in a computer. So I'm gonna switch cameras. All right, so you go to your internet browser and you go to the website unlockpanda.com. Here we will request the unlock for the iPhone that we're trying to unlock right now. So we're gonna start by selecting the original carrier that your phone is locked to. In this case, my phone is locked to AT&T in the United States. Then we'll select the brand, Apple, and then we'll select the model. In this case, we will be unlocking an iPhone SE 2020 version. Then we will insert the IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of this video. And then your email. Make sure that your email is written 100% correct. Very important. If we scroll down, we're gonna see the price and the delivery time. This is the waiting time that we need to wait until we get the phone unlocked. Everything is done remotely, so we're gonna press unlock now. The price and delivery time will always vary. So in this case, we're gonna be unlocking this iPhone SE. You can read all the information here, no worries, everything is 100% safe. I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna place my order. I've done this method more than 100 times probably because I've unlocked many phones, but I'm just gonna place my order and I'm gonna be back once everything is completed. It is very safe. All right, so after placing your order, you just have to wait until you get the confirmation that your iPhone has been unlocked. So it will take a couple of days. Sometimes it's super fast. Sometimes it takes a couple of more days. So you have to be very patient. But once your order is completed, you're gonna get an email just like this. So we're gonna switch to my personal email and I'm gonna show you how's the email that I just got. As you can see here, I got this message and it says order completed, iPhone successfully unlocked. We're gonna open it. And as you can see here, it says your iPhone has been factory unlocked. Now, simply we need to connect the iPhone to the internet. And there are two ways we can do this, using the Wi-Fi method and the iTunes method. For this example, we're gonna use the iTunes method. All right, make sure you are running on the latest iOS version. So make sure your phone is updated. Simply go to Settings, General, Software Update, and make sure that your phone is currently updated to the latest version. This is very important. Up next, we're gonna insert a SIM card from a different carrier. For example, my phone is locked to AT&T. I'm gonna use a SIM card from T-Mobile. So I'm just gonna remove the SIM card tray and I'm gonna insert a SIM card from T-Mobile. I'm just gonna put it right here and I'm gonna insert it back into my iPhone. It can be any SIM card as long as it's different from the original carrier. The next step is to connect your iPhone to the computer using the USB cable. So we're gonna go ahead and connect it. And we're gonna run iTunes, the latest version of iTunes in the computer. So we're gonna wait a couple of seconds and you should get this message that basically confirms that the iPhone has been successfully unlocked. Boom. There you go, guys. That's how you unlock an iPhone. And as you can see here, my phone is running on T-Mobile. I have a full signal bar and my phone is now fully factory unlocked. And I can use it with any carrier in any country. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below and we will try to answer them as quick as possible. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.